Hey everyone! In today's video I'm going to show you simple way to find niches using just Amazon search bar and free plugin. There are many tools that can help you do your niche research like Helium 10, BookBoat, Publisher Rocket, but in today's instance we're gonna do this completely for free just using Amazon search bar and free plugin. If you like videos like this, just hit the subscribe button and notification bell, and also if you stay till the end, I have very cool gift for you. So let's get started. We are in Amazon now and we're gonna use just the Amazon search bar and the free extension from self-publishing Titan, which is KDP niche research extension. And when we start typing, the extension will populate lots of suggestions for us. You will see. Let's try, let's say, coloring book for instance, because it's very popular. And after that we're gonna niche down. So as you can see how many suggestions we have. We have primary suggestions before keyword and additional Amazon suggestions. I have my notepad ready. You can also download all the suggestions from here and you can validate them and you can find keywords and niches from these suggestions. Let's start searching for niches. So let's see what we have. Disney is trademark. We're not gonna use this kind of words. Animals. Animals for kids, shapes, girls, adults. So adults, it could be niche, but we can niche down afterwards. Tens, animals, tens, boys, sports. So let's try this one, relaxation. Marker, pencil, adults, no, mandala, adults, easy, boys, and let's move the notepad. Adults, nope. We have Amazon, we have relaxation, flowers, adults, woman, book, markers, bleed, toddlers, nope, funny, tens, vehicles, so vehicles, and cars and coloring book for boys, cool, cars and vehicles. So cars, vehicles, it's almost the same because you can do cars, you can do trucks, you can do many things, you can do buses, but let's put vehicles as well. So let's try the last one. Markers, dinosaurs, animals, nurses, frozen is trademark as well. We're not gonna use this. Markers, bad words or swear words. Animals, flowers, bleed people, fashion, boys. So as you can see, only from the suggestions we found 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 niches. So after that we're gonna press enter, and we're gonna start typing the alphabet, and we're gonna fill all the niches that we can find. So quotes, Elizabeth, adults, let's say quotes. I don't know if quotes is niche, but let's try W. Cranium, magic, it could be niche, I think. Roman court, pencil, markers, canyon, animals, funny stickers, Bible, baby pictures, court, canyon, marker, nope. Reference, no. Fashion, we've got fashion. Wallpaper, pictures, party, no. So we're moving on. Easter. It's late to do Easter books, but it's a niche. Elderly, easy, elephant. Europe. You can do Europe coloring book. Let's add Europe as well. Forest. Elmo is trademark probably. Easter, Egypt. We can do Egypt, but just to mention, always double check for trademarks, otherwise you can have troubles with Amazon. Just double check or even triple check everything to be sure that everything is fine and you're not gonna be banned from Amazon. So Egypt, Eastern, X, it goes to Easter Pack Espanol. So next one, we've got relaxation, rainbow, relaxation, Ramadan, relaxing, paper, readers, religious. Race cars, it comes in this niche. I'm gonna put race in front. Race cars, reptiles, Roblox, religious, romantic, country, Russian, no, roses, It's a part of the flowers, but we can niche down. And we're gonna go from the whole alphabet and see how many niches we can find. Throws, tattoo, I don't know, tattoo, I'm not gonna put tattoo. Tracks, as I told you, it's going here. Tracks, toddler, magic, toddler, turtle, it could be very nice niche, it's very popular. Animals, we've got animals. Trains also is gonna be good niche. Tens, toddlers, teenage, book, toddlers 10, tutorial, trucks as well. Tractor, you can do tractor coloring book for kids, it's very nice. After that you need to, this is the easiest part, and after that you need to validate all the keywords and try to find good niches, and I'll show you in different videos how to do this. Let's keep going. Yoga, I'm not yoga, it's not Yoda, I thought it's Yoda. Yoga is a niche. Yoda is not, because it's a trademark. Anxiety, probably you can do a coloring book. Anxiety, relaxation. Young girls, adults, kids, youth, nope. Unicorn. Unicorn and rainbows, it's a very nice combination. Under the sea, unicorn, mermaids. As you can see, just for a few minutes, how many niches we fill up. United States, you can do like, I don't know, but we put Europe, it's almost the same. Inspirational, Indian, Iron Man, nope. Insects, so let's keep going. Ocean, magic, I think we put magic here somewhere. Yes, we've got magic. Inspiration, Spanish, shadows, people, no. Let's keep going. Ocean as well. Pencil, princess, party favors, animal, shadow, ornament, people, pencil. Pirates is a niche. No. Mask, I don't know, I'm not gonna put mask. As you can see, you can go from the whole alphabet and don't even type the half. And let's check how many niches we found. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 36 niches just for around 15 minutes. And that's how you can find lots of niches. After that you can type let's say logbook, and you can do the same. You can go through the whole alphabet, find different niches, after that validate them, put them in a spreadsheet, and you can decide which one is going in your title, subtitle, in your backend. So that's it for today. As I told you at the beginning of the video, I have very nice gift for you. I did research for myself and I found over 250 niches, and I put them in a PDF, and I decided to share this with you. They're completely for free. I'm gonna leave a link down below in the descriptions. If you are interested, you can download it for free. And also, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will never miss my new videos. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.